Díochait agus fáilte go dtí sláinte agus Laethanta Saoire. Inta ní fáilime, by tuiscint níos fearr a gum an aimsir áisteanach. I will have a better understanding of the aimsir áisteanach, future tense. Rialta agus neamhrialta, regular and irregular. If we're though by folklore a gum a bhaineann le Laethanta Saoire. I will have vocabulary to do with holidays, Laethanta Saoire. If we're three, scríbhí mé riamh fust faoi Saoire san aimsir áisteanach. I will write an email about a holiday in the future tense. Okay? Task a hain. So, leathan agus quail. Just a recap, because we're not 100% sure on the leathan agus quail, so this hopefully will clear it up. Okay? So, we have réim nua hain, shula awan, réim nua do, ga shula. Okay? So, in réim nua hain, if the vowel, the gutta, is A, O, or U. If the last vowel is A, O, or U, it is leathan, and it will follow the endings that are leathan, F-A-I-D-H. So, example of this is thog, con, o. You'll see that all of the last vowels in these. Now, of course, there's only one vowel in each one of these, but you always go by the last one. But it is A, O, or U. Okay, so thog he may, I will take. Okay, quail is if the last vowel is E or I. Mar hampla, ca, kick, fill. Mar hampla, fill he may, I will return. Réimnú, do. Okay, leathan is when it's A-I-G-H. For example, tosig, banig, ulvig. Okay, to start, to greet, and to prepare. And our endings then will be according to that. So, tus owi may. We take out the A-I-G-H and we put in the O for the I-D-H. Tus owi may. I will start. And réimnú do quail, I-G-H. Mar hampla, irig, dúshig, deshig. Irig, to get up, dúshig, to wake up, deshig, to fix. I rowi may. Okay, so if you want more examples, you just have to look back at the previous assignment or in your copy where they should be. Okay, and you're going to write this. That's task a hain is scríb isteach sa cóplar. Okay, task a do. Let's try and put these into the aimsir áisteanach. So muach is iver a hain. Muach is to put out or to extinguish. Muach, is it shula awan? Is it réim nua hain or réim nua do? It's réim nua hain because it has one syllable. Okay, and then it's two. Muach, M-U-C-H. So is that leathan or quail? It is leathan. Okay, so réim nua hain, leathan. You look at the top left box and you'll see that's where you go, and that's the ending. So muach he, F-A-I-D-H. Okay, muach he tu. On muach he tu on lampa, will you turn off the lamp? Okay, and then that's all clock to see are réim nua hain. But there's a mixture of leathan and quail, so you need to be careful and because you could be dealing with leathan or quail. Clock to E, aimsig, eintig, callig, crohig. These are réim nua do. 2 syllables. Don't forget if it's I-G-H, leathan, A-I-G-H, quail. And they use those endings, okay? So, aimsig, on aimsig too, on aimshowi too, okay? So look back at here at I-rowi may, E-O-I-D-H, and we take out the I-G-H, okay? On aimshowi too, pust nua, geheiske, will you find a new job easily? Okay, so dúhlan bresha is to translate scríb in merla. You don't have to, but if you'd like to try one or two of them, please do. Okay, sin task a do. Task 3, Task 3. Scríomh isteach sa chópléir. Okay, these are the irregular ones. They don't follow Réim nua hain, Réim nua dó, Lahan or Quail. They follow their own rules, and that's just how they are. Okay, it's the same verbs, it's the same meanings, but now we're in the, I'm sure, áisteanach, the future tense. Okay, so bear, to catch, to eat, clush, to hear, tar, to come, dain, to make or do, te, to go, dare, to say, tuair, to give, fi, to give, to get, fec, to see, and tá, to be. Okay, we would usually say be there, which is the verb to be. So these are all in the future tense. By may, I will be. Feci may, I will see. Yoi may, I will get. Turi may, I will give. Jerhi may, I will say. Rocky may, I will go. Daney may, I will do. Chucky may, I will come. Clushy may, I will hear. Easy may, I will eat. Berhi may, I will catch. Okay, so scríomh isteach sa chópléir. Now, task 3. Okay, task 3 is to see how many of these, can you see if you can get any of these. Okay, that's task 3, and also to write in these into your, these ones here into your chópléir. Okay, scéal san aimsir áisteanach. Okay, hi is, well, ní scéal, but hi is mis a mark. Tá go leor planana agum don saoire. I mi an bheitheh, Rocky may go dtí an Spáin. In the month of June, I will go to Spain. Okay, Rocky may. Dain he may go leor rudí ann. I will do a lot of things there. Iasi may tapas agus paella. Okay, so have a read through that and see about answering some of these questions. So here, look in the Buska Gurm, the blue box down the bottom right, you're going to see some helping words there that are going to help you understand the questions. Okay, so scríomh isteach sa chópléir. Okay, now, last bit here, guys, is a riamh fust. Okay, a riamh fust is an email. So, not expecting to write a huge amount here. Look at Uber Fos le Déanamh is gone for him Lou. Without the saying like the format of it, who it's from, who you're sending it to. Gone Banu without saying Diagwit, Adam Sanam Dum, or just even Diagwit Kunasatatu. That's a nice way of having a greeting. And if you have very little vocabulary, and if there's less than 3 points, then that would be Uber Fos le Déanamh, work still to be done. Okay. Guma, good. Okay, how would you get that? You'd have Os Cion Cuig Fuinche, above 5 points. Furim Lu agus Banu, the format and the greeting. Litruma, good spelling. Folklore, vocabulary. Eg úsáid an aimsir áisteanach, using the future tense. Rocky may, by may, Feki may, Iasi may. Okay, loads of options there. Anawa, níos mó ná seacht pointe eolais, more than 7 points. Furim Lu agus Banu, litru ma, good spelling. Folklore ma, an aimsir áisteanach, gramadach crin, good grammar. Sorwa, fauriacht gan look, don't worry about that, that's not supposed to be there. De pointe eolais, gramadach, ord caidan agus frosi, phrases. Okay, so even just to get to guma, look at the basic requirement, 5 points, and just doing your format. Okay, this is very doable. Look at the points here that you can use. On áit in a bhfuil tú ag dul, where are you going? Okay, Rocky may go dtí an Spáin, or Rocky may go America. Mo Laethanta Saoire, on my holidays. On fad ama, the length of time. A chahi tú ann. So by may, I will be. By may ann, fa seachtainna. Okay, but you're going to see some examples of ways to say these. Cé atá ag dul leat in éach leat. Who are you going with? Cá bhaní tú, where will you stay? An raibh tú san áit seo riamh. Were you there before? Cad a dhéanfaí tú ann, what will you do? Cén sort bia a íosí tú. Okay? Now, here's a very, very good resource to have. Okay, so here's a girl who's talking about her Laethanta Saoire, about her holidays, and she's answering questions. Okay, so she's saying, Is even lum siri graina kush tra? I love sun holidays. Being she'd galanta. They're great. Neil aga is fairlum na an law. Okay, let's look down for some more simple ones. On Rocky to Saoire, Emelina, she's asked, will you go on holidays? Rocky mid gudi on idal. Me ul. We will go to Italy in July. Rocky mahailukin einach lum. My family will go with me. Cá ad anishiv aun. Fanimid ga hyachten aun. Okay, and these are linking in with the points that you have here. Okay, so you might be able to decipher and decode and figure out what some of these mean and go, yeah, I'll use that, I'll use that, and I'll use that. That's great, and I'll get the quality of my work up. Okay, Anish Tatu Ray, you've prepared, now you're ready to give this a go. So Quig, to, who are you writing this to? What's their email address? O is from, that's your email address. And over, subject. Laethanta Saoire. Okay, you're writing about your Laethanta Saoire. And then away you go. Diagwit, Conasatatu, Tom Ega Hintuk, Gurb Mahagut. And then away you go. By me, Dol Laethanta Saoire, Gudi on Idal. Isi me alon, Iask Agus, Rocky me Gudi on Tra. Okay, there's loads and loads of things you can say there. Just remember 5 points of information and your work is up to Guma. Okay? Go Ramila Mahagut, Ganairi Lat, Agus Slán.